Meaning of figuratively.
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 Figuratively. Figuratively is an adverb that is used to indicate that a word or phrase should be interpreted in a metaphorical rather than a literal sense. When someone says something figuratively, they are using language that is not meant to be taken literally but is instead used to create an image or comparison. For example, if someone says I have a ton of homework to do, they are using ton figuratively to express the idea that they have a lot of work to complete. Overall, figurative language can be a powerful tool for writers and speakers to convey meaning in a more creative and engaging way.